Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this Smart Scale, and RunSTAR was nice enough to send it over to us for us to check out. Now I've reviewed a few of these Smart Scales. I've reviewed a few of the ones here from RunSTAR. I really like them. The only issue with this one that I've had is this is like really low pile carpet, and it still wasn't really working that well on this. I didn't notice any issues with this or anything, so that might just be how this one works. So I'm going to step back right here into this little area, and there is tile back here. So I'm going to place this down here on this hard tile, and we should have no issue. So I'm going to step onto this, and like I said, we're going to use the Smart Fit app. All right, it took my measurement there. I should hear this app ding here in a second. I want to try and remain still on it this entire time. And boom, right there it just dinged at us. And now we can see all the information that it's going to provide. So let's go ahead and click into this really quick, and we'll go over it. It's trying to weigh me again because I'm squeezing it. But you can click on more here and it will break this all down. I currently weigh 281.3 pounds. That's accurate. That's about what I weigh. And it gives you your BMI, body fat, and a whole bunch of other information in here. I'll go ahead and scroll through this. You guys can see what all it shows on there. But yeah, a whole bunch of stuff. All right, there you go. Body age 48. Out of all the scales I have reviewed and stuff, that's about what they say. I'm almost 42, so this is, yeah, all these numbers seem to be accurate on here. Even gives you your heart rate. That's cool. So yeah, really cool Smart Scale here. Like I said, the only issue I had with this one was the low pile carpet. A lot of them will work on that, but really you shouldn't be putting them on any type of carpet. You should be having them on a flat surface. But yeah, if you're looking for a nice Smart Scale, RunSTAR, great brand. Go ahead, check them out.